In this video, I will introduce you to a powerful tool that might just change the way you manage your data forever. We are talking about Teable, an open-source platform that combines the simplicity of a spreadsheet with the sheer power of a real-time database. If you have ever felt limited by Airtable or found traditional databases too complex to manage, then you really need to see what this software can do. From the moment you open the interface, it feels incredibly familiar. It uses the grid layout we all know and love, but under the hood it is built on Postgres, which means it can handle hundreds of thousands of rows without breaking a sweat. One of the most impressive things about Teable is the speed. Navigating through massive datasets feels instantaneous, and the real-time collaboration works flawlessly. You can create different views like Kanban boards, calendars, or galleries to visualize your information in whatever way suits your workflow best. Because it is open source, you have full control over your data, which is a huge win for privacy and customization. You can host it yourself or use their cloud version if you want to get started quickly. The API is robust and developer-friendly, making it easy to integrate with your existing tech stack. Whether you are tracking inventory, managing a marketing campaign, or building a custom application, Teable provides a flexible foundation that grows with your needs. It bridges the gap between simple organizers and enterprise-grade database management systems. I hope this overview helps you decide if it is the right fit for your projects. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.